how to sync videos to music beats in CapCut. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can sync your video to music beats in CapCut. Firstly, open your App Store or Google Play Store on your device. After that, search for CapCut application. After searching for CapCut, look for any updates that may be available. If there are updates available, then click on the update option to update your app. If not, then go back to your home page and open the CapCut application. Once you open your CapCut, import the video that you would like to edit. Now you will land to an editing page like this. Firstly, tap here to mute the sound of the original video. Now go to the audio option and tap on sounds. After that, add a sound that you like. You can select a sound from CapCut library or your own device. Once you import the sound, tap on the sound. You can also decrease the length of your sound. Tap on your sound and select beats from the bottom panel. Now turn on auto generate. After that, it will generate the beats. Once that's done, then go back. And now you can edit your video using these beats. Simply split the video where the beat is available. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.